4th of July, and let's get into it.
Let's go! Let's go! This is about to be the most American video y'all have ever seen. Cue it! It's called Pigs Can Fly.
See what the pigs can do.
See what these pigs can do. Look at these little piggies. Whoa, whoa! 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 America, cue it!
America, fuck yeah! Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah! America, fuck yeah! Freedom is the only way, yeah! Terrorists, your game is through, 'cause now you have...
Oh my God! I saw you.
I'm going backwards.
I can't fit through there. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Ah! Ah! Alright, I don't know if this is going to be good or not. Let's find out. Got a little 10 mil action. I got 2 rounds in this mag, and then I have another mag here. And we're going to see if we can do a little reload drill. I don't have anywhere to put this mag, so I'm just going to stick it like right here on my waistband. We got the Deeg, we got a 50 AE, and I got the other mag here. I don't know how it's gonna look. But I'm just gonna do 1 shot, reload 1 shot. Okay, we're gonna see how quick we can do it. Stick it in right when this gun shoots. We'll see how quick we can do it. Ooh. I just want you guys to see the destruction that this thing did to the target, or has done to the target. Yeah.
I like that better.
Yeah. Now if we just had a timer, we could time it.
Look, I'm concealing it, and then you just gotta go.
Yeah. All right, we're doing a triple reload. So he's gonna shoot 1 round, reload, shoot another, and reload, shoot another.
Safety act.
Another reload. Oh, he's faster. He's getting quick. See, that was pretty fast. That was a lot faster. I gotta try the triple reload now. All right. not that time, not that time, not that time, yeah. Yep. I was just waiting for him. I was like, come back. You freaking will. Get out of my freaking sight. Alrighty, fishy. Go down. You're gonna see some fun stuff here in about 5 seconds. You ready? Gulp. Oh, he got locked up around the log. He got wrapped up around the log, guys. We're going over to it. Oh, I think I got him out.
There's a bass on him, bro.
Oh! Got him.
There's another tree that fell down.
Ripping lit.
Oh my god, biggest crappie ever.
Let me show you guys why you're gonna stay tuned. Okay, check this out. Look at all these fireworks. Look at the alien. The sugar pop.
Another sugar.
Tank. We got 24 premium 5-inch shells and like a bunch of these 500-gram cakes. Also a bunch of like 300 grammers, some 200 grammers, a HD cake. Stay tuned to the end. It's going down. Our array of meats here. I want to show you guys because I've never had one, but check it out. This is a tomahawk steak, y'all. Look how thick it is. Oh my god. And then we got 2 T-bones, as you guys seen me do before, and then a nice fat tenderloin. Look at that, dude. Man, y'all can't even tell me that that don't look awesome. Let me get a little roundabout view here. Look, I got the butter and the olive oil and it's dripping into there. We're gonna baste it as it cooks and it's hanging on the hook. I drilled a hole to where it's hanging. You already know what that means, guys. It means cue the time lapse. That's what the tomahawk looks like when it's being done. Looks juicy. Oh yeah, we got the light up bands, y'all. So I'll show y'all this when it's nighttime, but listen, look at this. Of course, it's gonna start raining right when we wanna light off fireworks, but guess what? We don't care, okay? We don't care. Stay tuned.
On your mark. Get set, go! I'm the fastest 90 in the world. Oh, just lightning the cutest. Oh, what's up? Going in the freaking water. Why, freaking boy? What's up? Molly? Hopefully I don't get lucky doing this, but we kind of doing this for you guys.
Dawson has that wicked bazaar. By the way, check out the bling. It's not completely dark yet, and I'm gonna put some more on. But he has the wicked bazaar here, y'all. and it's raining. As you can see, it's super wet, but here he comes. Let's see what it does here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh! There we go. Oh! Oh! Okay. That's a nice one right there. Let's go! Oh! Guys, we got the glow sticks on. Here we go. We got another little show. It's raining in the middle of the rain. Oh! It's shooting that way. It fell down. It fell down. Oh no! It fell down.
My God, your spot was horrible.
I'm in the tarp, guys. We're under the tarp. You can hear the sound. We have all our fireworks here. You can't see them, but I'm in the tarp with the fireworks. And like, let's go. You're grounded. Oh yeah.
It's 4th of freaking July, y'all. Oh!
I'm risking the camera. I'm out in the boat, guys.
But like, subscribe, follow, and say something in the chat. It doesn't really matter. No inappropriate stuff. Family friendly though. Family friendly. Keep it G.